Okay, so this video tutorial, I have literally just got a plain black painted nail. And then I'm now going to apply some blooming gel. And I'm going to use some of the colours from the Festival Fun collection. And let's see how this goes. So let's go with Free Spirit first. I'm just going to lay this down randomly. And then hope that it spreads. For me, I always find the more I put on, the better. So I'm going to do this one first, almost like an animal print. Literally just adding drops of colour down the side and letting it spread. I honestly find, I was never really into blooming gel, but I now quite like it. Just letting it do its thing. I quite like that. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp and cure that. While that's in the lamp, I think we should do another one with a different colour. So I'm going to get my tip and I'm just going to paint it out in black. Another tip holder, there it is. So let's pop that on there. Let's paint this now in black again. Pop that in, and then while that's curing, I don't know, I think I might use a bright colour this time. Oh, let's have a look at this one. So that's how that come out with the blooming gel. So I'm just going to top coat that while we're here. Put that in. And then let's take this one out. Let's put another coat of blooming gel on. And let's try something different, shall we? Let's go for this nice bright colour. And let's start with some random dots in the corner. And see how this works. Okay, it's working. Then let's do some of this colour next to it. I don't really know what I'm doing, I'm just playing around with it at this point. It is spreading. It's pretty cold in here, so I wonder if I'd have been better off warming the gel up first. It's not moving quite as quick as the other one. What colour next? Let's go for this one. So this one, Bohemian Babe. Just gonna put not really sure I like it, but I mean it's random, it's abstract. And then maybe go for this. Purple's not going to show, so let's go for this one again. Let's just add a couple of small bits of that. I'm just going to let that sit, let that do its thing. And then that was the first one. That's nice and smooth. I like that a lot. That one. Okay. And then let's pop this one in the lamp. So the colours, if you're interested to know, I've got them in this little palette here. And these ones are all from the new Festival Fun collection. So here we have Glasto Glitz, Boho Glitz, Hippie Glitz, and then we've got Free Spirit, Flower Power, Bohemian Babe, Sizzling Sundown, Peace Out, and then these two, which we haven't used, are my Casper and Jet Art gels that I do with, like, use for my fine lines and stuff. So not quite sure about this one. It actually looks very, what am I looking for? Is it Aztec-y maybe, or something like that? Anyway, we are going to top coat it. It's the first time really I've properly played around with blooming gel. So I just thought I'd jump on and do that. I'm not sure if anyone would be interested, but you never know. So that's that one. And it definitely looks more Aztec. Or mosaic-y maybe. So yeah, going to pop that in, give that a full cure. And then that's it. I am going to be adding more and more content. So hopefully I'll see you guys again soon. And we'll have play around with some more nail art.